Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll explain how to use your Windows taskbar to its full productive potential. This will involve pinning applications to a Windows taskbar and using shortcuts to open the same. As you can see, I already have some pinned applications here in my Windows PC. In case you don't know how to pin applications, let me demonstrate how. Open any application that you frequently use. I will open Audacity for demonstration. Once you open an application, you can observe that it will show up in the taskbar. Go to the taskbar and right-click on the application. Note that in case of some applications, you will have to minimize before right-clicking. Audacity is one such application. When you right-click, you will see an option which reads Pin to Taskbar. Left-click on that and close the application. You can rearrange the order of the pinned application by left-clicking, holding the click and dragging the icon. Now comes the productivity part in which you can easily open these pinned applications with keyboard shortcuts. For me, Windows Explorer is the first pinned application, followed by Spotify, Firefox, Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Lightroom, and so on. I am mentioning the order since it is important for the shortcut option. The shortcut involves using the Windows keys and the number rows to open application. For example, if I want to open calculator, I will press the Windows key and number 9 on the number row of the keyboard. Please note that it will not work with the number pad area of your keyboard. To open Spotify, I will use Windows and 2 and so on. In order to open the 10th pinned item, you have to click Windows key and 0. Beyond 10, this will not work, which is why rearranging your frequently used applications is important. This will come in handy if you are using your keyboard and want to open an application fast instead of moving your hand over to the mouse. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Until then, take care and stay safe.